Hello and welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. I'm Jess, the founder of Sallie Tomato, and we are excited to begin opening our 2025 Hearth and Handcrafted Advent Box. This year we were inspired by cozy holiday traditions and timeless projects, and with our daily unboxing videos, we'll not only reveal each day's items, but also share tips, tutorials, and inspiration for making the most of your projects. So let's begin the unboxing. So we'll set the pretty box to the side for now. And here is day one. You'll want to find just the right spot for this exquisite piece, exclusively designed for our Sallie Tomato friends. Connect and share your Advent Box creations with the hashtag Sallie Tomato Advent Box. We're starting off this Advent box with a quintessential holiday item, which is a 2025 laser engraved wooden ornament. Perfect for hanging on the tree or displaying on a mantle, this ornament adds a touch of elegance and charm to your holiday decor. It highlights the festive season, reminding you to savor each moment of this special time of year. We hope this brings a touch of warmth to your celebrations. We can't wait to open the rest of this year's Advent box with you. And you can still purchase this year's Advent box if there are still any left in stock on our website. If we are sold out, we've added a link below for you to join our newsletter group so you'll be notified when the 2026 Advent box releases. We would love to see photos of how you're decorating with your new ornament. We'd love to see your style. Use the hashtag Sallie Tomato and hashtag Sallie Tomato Advent Box so we can see it on social media. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a happy holidays.